I'm Shakyra Worley, and I come from Manhattan, New York, Lower East Side. One day I just had an epiphany, like I needed more for myself, so that changed everything, and I put myself here in trade school. I'm currently a student at Edison Job Corps studying the trade carpentry, and it's pretty snazzy, not gonna lie. I'm most proud of not giving up, because when I was younger, I was more shy and like in the back, always in the background, and I feel like the main character now. Having a female instructor was a great asset. Honestly, it gives you more comfort here, knowing that you could be open to expressing yourself to a female instructor, as well as her expressing her own flaws and even trials. While I've been taking these steps to achieve my future, I honestly feel successful, because people usually say we're like this small speck on earth and stuff like that, but I feel bigger than that. I feel like one of the stars in the sky. And it feels good to do stuff that you love and help others along the way.